How to create a Facebook business page. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll guide you through the process of creating a Facebook business page step by step. So it's a straightforward procedure that begins by accessing the Facebook application by simply opening it on your device and make sure that you're logged into your specific account. Now access the menu located in the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down until you find the option labeled as Pages and select it. Within the Pages section, locate and click on Create and proceed by clicking on Get Started. Input a desired name for your page. For instance, let's use My Traders. And then hit Next. Now choose a suitable category. Click on the Add Category option and you will come across various options such as Digital Creator, Personal Blog, Product or Service, Women's Clothing Store, Men's Clothing Store, and more. So I'm going to choose Women's Clothing Store for my page. Now click on Next. Now here in this interface, you are supposed to enter the correct form of your address. Then just below it, choose the city and the country. After that, click on Next. And now you can also add a profile picture or a cover page to your business profile page, and you will be successful in creating a business page in your Facebook account. So this was all about it. This is how you can create a Facebook business page. If you found this video to be helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.